sell at Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Now, the one thing I will explain about this car, when I take a video and pictures, it's tough to get the exact color of this car. Due to the lights and just the way the camera is, it'll come across a little more blue in this video and the pictures than it is in real life. What it really is it's close to the artesian turquoise, and that's the original color that this car would have been. There is a paint can that goes with it that will have the exact paint color code, what have you, on it. But originally this was an artesian turquoise car, and it does come across a little more turquoise in real life than it will in this video. Just want to get that out there so you understand. Take a look at how straight it is, though. This one is pretty. Underneath the hood, 383 V8 paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. A little later model, I should say an aftermarket late model headlight in there. More of a high intensity discharge. Check out the grille, chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. So get a look at those. Paint on this one shows very well. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, engine bay, undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us 507-386-1726. But look up and down that. Again, you can see paint was laid on there very nicely. If that was full of poor body work, it would really show, and it does not on this car. Riding on 17-inch American Racing wheels, radial tires. Would also have the standard turquoise interior vinyl, which this would have had originally. So still set up very similar to the way it would have been from Chevrolet back in 1966. There's your 4-speed manual transmission, shifter on the floor. Do have an aftermarket gauge cluster and a retro sound style radio. Now, something else I want to fill you in on. It is going to come with some extra goodies. There's some more of the standard headlights in that black box. Obviously, extra visors. Here's your paint. And again, this comes off blue. It is not. It's more of that turquoise. The original radio, I believe, was in the retro sound box. Alternator. Little sketch of the Chevy 2s. And hey, how about a throwback to the club? All right. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome bumper, bright work on the rear of it. Let you see the condition of that. And we'll start this one up here just shortly. Let's check out the engine bay here at Run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Once again, still pictures. If you want to take a look through there, probably 100 pictures of this car online. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a little peek up and down the driver's side so you can get a shot of it from the back to front. Take a little closer look at the interior. Seatbelt's intact. Pretty much free of any rips, tears, holes, or anything in the vinyl that I've seen. Headliner also in good shape. Now the wipers do work on this car. Stereo works. Have played around with those. Those are all in working order. A little aftermarket Summit tack up here in the A-pillar. FYI, this is just a dash plaque, magnetic dash plaque. Will come right off. Tachometer, a retro sound style radio, and that does work. Have that working. Wipers work. Get it off the high idle so you can hear it idle. Slip around to the back. Let's check out underneath the hood. Odometer reads 72,481. Obviously, this car has been restored. Can't really confirm or deny the miles. Once it becomes a certain age, it does not stay with it on the title. Let that 383 warm up here a little bit. The tack also works. Fuel gauge working order. Alright. Slip around to the back. Hopefully you can hear this one over the one that drove out behind me. There you go. Nice throaty little rumble coming out of that 383. All right, I'm going to pause it a second. Let's check out this engine. Maybe we'll pop it right here.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood pop. All right, Hedman headers, HEI ignition, quick fuel 4-barrel on there, aluminum radiator, nice tight engine bay. Like new master cylinder. Battery, a couple years old, 9 and 19 put in. A nice chrome polished aluminum dress up. Good looking engine bay. Heater core still hooked up with heater hoses. Sounds good, smooth running. A little cam in that, a little rumble. There you go. Nice looking two-door hardtop. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We can call in or email.